Mrs. Puff. This driving safety film is brought to you by Kapuskus plus Potter Aruga. Citizens of Bikini Bottom united to keep SpongeBob SquarePants off the road and out of boats altogether.
Good day, future motorists. I'm Mrs. Puff, state accredited driving instructor. Today we'll be discussing the differences between a driver with boat smarts,
Bringing good day for a spot of driving.
and a driver without boat smarts.
Hey, Squidward! Look what I can do with my feet!
Let's see some examples, shall we? Tire pressure. Before you can even think about boating, the boater who uses boat smarts always fills his tires to the appropriate level. While this driver pays no heed to boat smarts. Buckling up. As demonstrated by this driver, he has enough boat smarts to use his seatbelt and avoid a serious casualty as a result of a collision. Notice how he comes gently to a stop sign. Now this driver, with no regard for safety, well, at least he had his seatbelt on. Your mirror. What's our boat smarts boater up to now? You guessed it. He's adjusting his mirror before he begins boating, unlike this degenerate boater.
Hey, use your mirrors, Cole.
Mirrors? Oh, that reminds me. I haven't adjusted this one yet.
Can't see.
Finally, and most importantly, a driver with boat smarts always pays attention to his surroundings and avoids distractions. Notice how this driver's eyes are locked firmly on the road. And here we have the epitome of a driver who is carelessly distracting himself from the road and safety.
Jerk! Hi there!
Help, lunatic driver.
How's it going?
SpongeBob, I mean, a boater without boat smarts, shows contempt for his boater brethren and the law.
Hi, Squidward. I'm Mrs. Puff.